My dolphin is not picking up debris, or debris is escaping from the top of the unit. You can see the leaves here. Check the rapid drain flap. On this smaller S50 robot, this is the rapid drain flap. On this model, the flap is exposed. The larger models such as the S150, S200 and S300i have the flap behind this roller at the front. The black rubber is the rapid drain flap. If the flap does not close properly, debris will bypass the filter. If it bypasses the filter, debris is shot out of the top of the robot and back into the pool. Recognizing a faulty rapid drain flap. If you look into the robot with the filter out, the flap should be closed. You can see this flap is open. The flap is to allow water to drain when the robot is lifted out of the pool. If it remains open, debris will bypass the filter. When lifted out of the pool, debris will drop back into the pool as it is not on the dirty side of the filter. How to remove the rapid drain flap. Even a child could do it. The tab to the right is the one that holds the side on. That's one of them. Flick out the 2 tabs per side. The side pieces easily unclip. You can see them there. They go in those holes. Remove the exposed screw holding the end of the roller on. Removal of the end cap wheel allows the track to come off easily. Do the same for the other side. Take off the entire front roller. You can see the rapid drain flap not closing. How to remove the flap to reuse it. Carefully use needle nose pliers. Squeeze the rubber knobs so they can be pushed through the holes. Be careful not to damage the rubber. Once again, squeeze the knob and push it into the hole. That's the story of my life.
Squeeze it.
I have seen robots where the whole flap has been taken off and left off. Fixing the rapid drain flap. You can see the flap is curved away from the knobs. We want the flap to curve towards the knobs. Roll the flap into a tight roll. I use cable ties to keep it in place. You will need a few because we want it all folded. I used 5 cable ties for this flap. Once it is all rolled tightly, we need a container that fits the flap. Boil some water. Pour the boiling water over the tied up flap. When cooled, remove the flap. Undo the cable ties. I used quick release cable ties to save the planet. It also saves the planet reusing the rapid drain flap. You can see the rapid drain flap is curved the correct way. The curve is towards the knobs. Think of a way to explain why the next meal tastes like rubber. Oops. Here is another flap tied with string. Refit the rapid drain flap. Align the knobs with the holes. Push from the back. Be careful not to damage the knobs. You could use a blunt instrument to press from the outside. At the same time, manipulate the knobs from the inside. Once it is all fitted, you can check the closure. With all stories, we want closure. Refit the tracks and wheels and side panels. Line those up. Test the robot. Thanks for watching.